Better yet, it's a nice evening out here. Good morning from OahuHandyman.com. Everyone, it's a short view of Honolulu, Hawaii. We're up here. There's a few residents. Big house, brand new, about to take over. Anyhow, good morning from www.drywalloahu.blogspot.com and www.oahuhandyman.com. That's Pro Handyman Oahu. 808 construction repair, drywall, carpentry, tile, home repairs, construction specialist. Call me anytime. Alrighty? Thank you very much. It's a beautiful morning. It is approximately 5:45 a.m. in the morning. Beautiful Monday morning. 5:45 a.m. Exactly. The date's gonna be 20. That's 5/20/2020. 2019. Thank you very much.